Okay, good afternoon, everybody. How are you this afternoon? Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Afternoon, Pak.
Afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine, Pak.
How many
Thanks.
people are there? How many people are there in this class? How many people? So on Zoom there are 36 students, yeah. I don't know the reality of the number of the students. How many students are there in one class? So according to the list, there are more than 40 students. Okay, so all of you must be on camera. Yeah, so you must turn on your video. Yeah, you must be on camera. So I want to take your picture because, yeah, and everyone must speak before we start our lecture. Must keep the open comment. So today's topic is about introducing yourself in English. Yeah, and I have posted the example how to introduce yourself in English. Yeah, and you must learn by heart. And today you must speak one by one. Yeah, everything in English. And don't be afraid to speak English. Yeah. Okay. Okay, please from Johnny Iskandar. Is Johnny in? Is Johnny Iskandar in? Johnny? Are you in, Johnny? Johnny, are you in? Are you in, Johnny? Hello, Johnny. Can you hear my voice? Johnny, so you are not in ya, not present, tidak hadir ya? Hah? Ya please, kalau tidak jawab, tidak hadir berarti. Kalau tidak jawab, tidak hadir.
Hadir Pak.
Ya.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection.
Please.
Connected.
Please speak, please. Please, Johnny. Please, Johnny, please. Nggak bicara berarti tidak masuk ya? Tidak bicara dianggap tidak masuk. Just bicara punya. Lewat ya? Lewat ya? Lewat ya? Kan dari
I'm here, Pak. I'm here.
Betul ya, lewat dah. Yang tak masuk.
No.
Domi dia Krista Sepa Ananda Sauri. Dia. Dia mana dia? Dia mana? Tidak ada dia ya? Tidak ada, berarti absen. Ya, pokoknya yang ada.
I am here, Pak. I am here, sir.
Tidak ngomong absen. Bapak udah jawab sekali, udah.
Enggak kedengaran, Pak, suaranya. Soalnya hujan.
Oh iya.
Suaranya Pak enggak kedengaran.
Orang Bapak tidak dengar semuanya. Berarti jaringan sana rusak, jaringannya rusak sana. Dia silakan. Ini Bapak gampang nih, yang enggak jawab enggak ada, enggak lulus gitu aja berbayar. Bapak main nilai. Lulus jawab, kalau enggak ada lulus itu. Dia Krista siapa? Sekali lagi kasih kesempatan lagi, silakan.
I am here, sir.
Ya langsung ngomong yang ya terus itu. Apa ada butuh dana di sini? Mana videonya tidak ditunjukkan videonya? Kalau video dari tujuh berarti tidak ajar ya? Kalau
jaringan jelek, Pak.
Kalau mahasiswa tidak menunjukkan video itu berarti itu tidak hadir. Ya, kalau video tidak hadir pokoknya. Ya, tidak. Nanti dipoto kan tuh siapa yang foto nih, nah, itu hadir. Ya. Dalam kuliah itu harus pakai baju berkerah. Jadi yang pakai berkerah tidak hadir. Yang pakai baju kaos oblong tidak hadir juga. Kuliah kan bukan warung kopi. Ya, kuliah itu baju berkerah. Tidak kayak kaos oblong.
Pak, gimana nih kami yang cari sinyal nih? Udah terlanjur pakai baju kaos.
Kalau kuliah itu pakai berkerah. Nggak ada tata tertib pakai kaos oblong kuliah. Apakah sinyal ke hutan tuh kayak baju kerah kalau kuliah? Yang lagi di jalan keluar aja yang kuliah. Memang UPB ikut aturan mahasiswa? Enggak kan? Memang UPB harus buat aturan mahasiswa harus pakai kaos oblong kuliah. Ada aturan gitu kan mahasiswa?
Tidak, Pak.
Enggak kan?
Ya.
Ada alasan Anda pakai kaos oblong. Ke kampus yang di kampus, panggil anak PD3. Mau ke hutan, mau kemana, mau ke sungai apa, ke
ya dosen.
Tapi kaos oblong ganti dulu. Karena Bapak ada lulus.
Yang lagi di jalan macam mana, Pak?
Minggu depan ya kuliahnya. Bapak yang kuliah minggu depan kuliah. Kuliah kan di jalan kan di klub kuliahnya, di jalan.
Pak, izin out mau baju gimana? Boleh tak?
Itu kan udah pakai berkerah tuh.
Jaket, enggak apa ke?
Nggak salah, jaket itu kan ada berkerah.
Yes. Makasih Bapak.
Bapak tuh yang langsung kaos oblong tuh. Dia kan dapat foto udah terada, nggak masalah.
Anjir bikin pasang
Lama.
Dan nggak boleh tuh pakai baju ke alma mater. Itu walaupun kaos oblong tapi ditutupi alma mater. Jadi berkerah kan?
Oh ya.
Alma mater yang berkerah tuh. Alma mater boleh. Kalau pakai jaket boleh, nggak masalah. Kan gitu, pakai jaket. Oke ya. Udah mulai. Sudah sekarang bawa panggil itu Zoom ya. Zoom ini pembukaan tidak lama kok kuliahnya. Ya pembukaan dulu. Jadi Anda tuh udah diposting di grup kan? Diposting tuh kata caranya ya. Kan kita mulai kuliah Anda sudah bisa dulu satu ya kan? Oke, coba dari Auria Penitasari. Auria.
I'm here, Pak.
Langsung ngomong, jangan pakai anjir langsung ngomong. Langsung ngomong. Silakan.
My name is Aulia.
Salam dulu budak penuh. Salam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Afternoon.
Yang tidak bicara tolong matikan ya. Yang tidak bicara dimatikan dan tidak ribut. Ya, kena tata kuliah ini kalau tidak bicara matikan supaya tidak ribut. Saya sudah tak kedengaran. Yang itu hanya yang berbicara ya. Oke, semua dosen ya. Ini bapaknya nih. Karena pengunjungnya semua dosen yang tidak berbicara matikan mic-nya. Mic hidupkan kalau Anda bicara gitu kan. Paham kan? Jadi kan tidak menghemat kuota kan. Menghemat kuota gitu kan. Jadi matikan gitu. Silakan langsung Auria Penitasari. Yang lain matikan mic ya.
Good afternoon, my lecturer, Mr. Adi Mursalin, my friends. My name is Auria Penitasari. I am the first of second children. I was born in Pontianak, April 6, 2002. I live on Jalan Camar, number 45.
Juliawati Rihoni. Oke, Juliawati Rihoni. Please.
Hadir, Pak.
Langsung. Silakan.
Good afternoon, my lecturer,
Good
Mr.
afternoon.
Andi Malin,
Good afternoon.
and my friends. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who I am.
Yeah.
My name is Juliawati Rihoni. I'm the third of 3 children.
Yeah.
I was born in Sejua,
Yeah. Good.
Juni 23,
Yeah.
2003.
Yeah.
Currently, I live on Jalan Noyan number 6.
Yeah. Okay. Enough. Okay. Andi Ardita.
Iya, Pak.
Ya, please langsung, please. Andi Ardita. Silakan, Andi Ardita. Yang tidak bicara dan tidak lulus nanti. Bapak tidak lulus kan nanti.
Maaf, Pak, sinyal saya kurang bagus.
Udah masa tidak bagus bahasa Inggris, aku ngomong. Bapak tidak perlu bagus apa yang ngomong bahasa Inggris. Bapak tidak penting bagus bahasa Inggrisnya, yang penting ngomong. Daripada tidak lulus bahasa Inggris, mengulang tidak satu depan. Kalau tidak mau ya ngomong. Kalau mau ngulang silakan tidak ngomong ya, silakan ya tidak ngomong kalau mau ngulang. Kalau yang tidak mau ngulang ya bicara. Anda pilih aja. Anda pilih. Anda mau yang mana nih? Mau ngulang atau tidak ngulang? Pilih ya.
Belum siap, Pak.
Kenapa ada kata belum siap? Udah kuliah tuh siap. Ya kan? Bapak udah ada rumus belum siap. Udah kuliah masuk kelas udah siap lah kan? Kan udah ada di posting dah kemarin. Oh siap kan? Dari contoh kan?
Iya,
kan?
Pak.
Nanti tunda dulu ya. Kalau tidak ngomong tidak lulus nih. Shirley Day. Mana Shirley Day? Shirley Day. Silakan. Shirley Day.
Bentar dulu, Pak.
Nampakkan videonya. Turn on your video. Turn on your video. Hidupkan videonya. On kamera. Ya, silakan.
Langsung perkenalan ke Pak?
Nggak tahu lah, langsung apa Bapak pun nggak tahu nggak? Lupa Bapak.
Maaf Pak, sebelumnya.
Bapak juga lupa apa ya, langsung apa nggak tahu Bapak nih kan?
Pak, saya belum hafal, Pak.
Ya kan, Bapak dapat suku kemarin. Kalau belum hafal kan langsung Bapak ya enggak? Pokoknya kan sih udah bicara bahasa Inggris, maupun makan diri, ya. Masalah apa kan urusan Bapak. Nah, yo, apa gimana coba? Dari ngomong, dua
kalau enggak semuanya bisa nggak Pak?
Pokoknya Anda apa suruh ngomong, bukan Bapak dan nanya itu, Anda semua bahasa Inggris ini, ya kan? Anda semua bahasa Inggris ya. Bapak ada banyak sedikit ngomong bahasa Inggris.
Oh, oke lah Pak, saya coba.
Ya, silakan Sally.
Baik, Mas, saya akan mulai. Good morning, afternoon, my lecturer, MRAD Salin, and my friend. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to. My name is Sarwide. I'm the first
or second, or third, or fourth, of two,
Pilihlah
or
salah
three,
satu tuh yang
or
semua
four.
dipilih anak keberapa yang semua disebutkan foto ada satu di berapa
Okay,
saudara.
okay.
Berapa?
My name is Herli. I'm the first number 6 children. I was born in November 26, 2002. Currently, I live on Wira Bakti number 4.
Aku Dewi.
Kontraknya.
Udah.
Kontraknya juga kah, Pak?
Sebenarnya lah, terserah Anda lah.
Abi. Kontraknya. Kontraknya. Kontrak.
This is good occasion. Our also like to tell all of you here my learning contract of English for business 2 in this is semester 1, text English for business 2, and this is course it starts by MMR Adi Mursalin, and taking part course it starts and this is learning contact of English for business too, because I want to improve my grades, and for this course I have goals taking English for economic course, namely, number 1, I want to have a good command of English business. Number 2, I want to be able to communicate in English. Number 3, I want to improve my grading of English. Number 4, I want to the post this is English for business 2 course.
Oke, ya.
Udah Pak, gitu aja Pak.
Oke, Denny. Silakan Denny.
Ya Pak.
Silakan. Pokoknya mau bahasa Inggris. Bahasa panjang pendek itu nomor 2. Nanti mau bahasa Inggris.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Ali Mursalin and my friends and my name is I born in Sunday, February 2000. When is life Jalan Danau Tarum Gang Fajar Kencana number 2. On the good occasion, I would also take all of your here my learning concept of English for business 2. In semester 1, take English for business 2, and this course is taught by Mr. Adi Mursalin. I'm English for business 2. Because I want to improve my grades and pass the course. I have goals of taking English for Economic 1 course, namely, number 1, I want a good command of business. Want to be able to communicate English. Number 3, I want to improve my grade of English. Number 4, I want to pass the English for business 2 course. If I do not meet my goals, I cannot finish my study. I do not get rewards from my parents. My advice from my parents, and my last 75% of online class session. I will contribute and always will contribute at least one comment to every discussion I will be active in doing the exam give my the lecturer. I will read the course material given by the lecturer at home. I lost 1 hour per day. I will spend a minimum of 1 hour per day reviewing and working on achievements. I will attend the lecture of course at least once per week, or I will consult with my parent lecturers. Electronical once per week. I will communicate with my press in my work group face to face, or the electronically about our course projects. Will my dear friends, that is my learning contact for English for Economic 1 contact. I hope that I can meet my contact well. I will always pray to my God. Thank you.
Okay, good. Very good.
Misi, Pak.
Ya?
Boleh saya mengulang, Pak?
Silakan Andri Arita, silakan.
Good afternoon, my teacher, my Adi Mursalin, and my friends.
Good afternoon.
On this question, allow me to make introduction to who I'm. My name is Andri Ardita.
Okay.
I'm the prize to. My name is Andri Ardita. I'm the prize to children. I won from in Montrado. On this good occasion, I will also like to tell all of you here my learning contracts of English for business to in this.
Okay.
And this course is taught by B. M. Adi Mursalin. I'm take for in this learning contract of English for business too, because I want to import my grades and face the course. I have course of taking English for Economics 1 course, namely 1. I want to have a good command on English because 2. I want to be able to communicate in English. 3. I want to import my grades of English. 4. I want to fight this English for business to cross. If I do not meet my goals, I cannot finish my study. I do not get support from my parents, and my editor will be angry with me. If my goals, I will get support from my friend. My editor will be happy to meet my goal of taking English for Economics 1 course. I will attend a like 75 friends online class session. I will contract and like 1 comment to every discussion, and I will be active in doing the excitement given be the letter. I will read the cross materials given by the letter. Hope like 1 hour per day. I will spend a minimum of 1 hour per day preparing notes and working on exam. I will attend the later office house late one per week. On I will calls with me late electronical one per week. I will community with my friends in my work group face to face electronical about to cross projects. Will my dear friends, this is my learning contracts of English for Economics 1. Contract I hope that I can meet me contracts well. I will also pray to my God. Thank you. Okay, sis.
Luciana, please, Luciana.
Good afternoon, my lecturer,
Good afternoon.
Mr. D. Mursalin, and my friend. On his occasion, allow me to make an indication to what I am. My name is Luciana. I am the first of two children. I was born in Yanggai, 17 Juli 2003. Contract 3. I live on Nangapino. I will after at last. Bentar loh, salah. On his good occasion, I will also like to tell all of you here my learning contract of English for business 2, and his course is taught by Mr. Adi Mursalin. I am taking part in his learning contract of English for business. I have goal of economic.
Oh, jaringannya ya rusak. Putus-putus.
English business. I want to be able to communicating in English. 3. I want informal job.
Okay, please next. Anita Epifania.
Good afternoon, my lecturer, Mr. Adi Mursalin, and my friend. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who I am. My name is Anita Epifania. I'm the first of two children. I was born in Magdadong on July 15, 2003. Currently, I live on Parit Haji Muksin Street, Megamas Housing Complex C, number 6. On this occasion, I would also like to tell all of you here my learning contract of English for Business 2. In the semester 1, take English for Business 2, and this course is that by Mr. Adi Mursalin. I'm taking part in this learning contract of English for Business 2 because I want to improve my grade and pass the course. I have goals of taking English for Economic 1 course, namely 1, I want to have a good KMF English business. 2, I want to be able to give me 1 cat in English. 3, I want to improve my grade of English. 4. I want to post those English for Business 2 course. If I do not meet my goals, I cannot finishing my study. I do not get reward from my parents. My advisor will be angry with me. If I met my goal, I will get reward from my parents and my advisor will be happy. To me, my goal of taking English for Economicus 1 course, I will attend at least 175% if online class session. I will contribution at least 1 comment to every discussion, and I will be active at doing the assignment given by the lecturer. I will read the cross materials given by the lecturer at home at least 1 hour per day. I will spend minutes of 1 hour per day reviewing, notes and working, and assignment. I will attend the lecture office hours at least 1 per week course. I will consult with my lecturers electronical once per week. I will communicate with my peer in my work group first to face of electronical about of growth project. Will my dear friends, that is my learning contract, Div English for Economicus 1 contract. I hope that all can me my contract will. I will always pray to my good. Thank you.
Kosong kan ini. Oke. Yalah, sama. Pasti udah ada gambaran itu. Iya, ya. Oke ya, tadi ada Bu Es, ada Bu Esa nelpon, nelpon biasa. Oke, sekarang ini next please. Juan Andriano. Juan Andriano. Right, are you ready, please?
Halo, sir.
Ya.
Halo.
Halo.
Good afternoon, my lecturer, Mr. Adi and Mr. Adi Mursalin.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, jaringannya enggak bisa nih. Jaringannya enggak. Oke, enggak apa. Can you hear me, Juan Andriano? Halo? Oh, keluar. Oke. Endang Kinarsi, silakan. Endang Kinarsi.
Good afternoon, my lecturer, Mr. Adi Mursalin, and my friends. Bentar, Pak. Bentar. Okay. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who I am. My name is Endang Kinarsi. I am the first of 2 children. I was born in Mandor, March 16, 2002. Currently, I live in Jalan Raya Mandor, number 41. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who I am. Sorry, Pak. On this good occasion, I would also like to tell all of you here my learning contract of English for Business 2. In the semester 1, take English for Business 2. And this course is taught by Mr. Adi Mursalin. I am taking part in this learning contract of English for Business 2 because I want to improve my grades and pass in the course. I have goals of taking English for Economic 1 course, namely 1. I want to have a good comment of English business. 2. I want to be able to communicate in English. 3. I want to improve my grade of English. 4. I want to pass this English for Business 2 course. If I do not meet my goals, I cannot finish my study. I do not get rewards from my parents. My educator will be angry with me. If it meets my goals, to meet my goals of taking English for Economic 1 course, I will attain at least 75% of online class session. I will contribute at least 1 comment to every discussion, and I will be active in doing the assessment given by the lecturer. I will read the course material given by the lecturer at home at least 1 hour per day. I will spend a minimum of 1 hour per day preparing notes and working on assessment. I will attend the lecture office hours at least once per week, or I will consult with my lecturer electronic once per week. I will communicate with my peers in my work group face-to-face or electronical about our course project. Well, my dear friends, that is my learning contract of English for Economic 1 contracts. I hope that I can meet my contract well. I will always pray to my God. Thank you.
Johnny Iskandar. Turn on your video. Mic-nya mati itu kan? Turn on your microphone. Turn on your microphone.
Sorry, Pak. Sorry. Good afternoon, my lecturer, Mr. Adi Muslandi, and my friend.
Good afternoon. Jadi boleh bebas ya, boleh bebas, nggak mesti ikut tipnya Bapak, tuh bebas. Jadi orang tuh bebas. Ya boleh, itu Bapak isi contoh ya. Contoh. Jadi boleh bebas. Kamu ikut Bapak silakan. Silakan Joni.
On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who am I. My name is Johnny Iskandar. I am the first 3 of 4 children. I was born in Ngabang, 14 June Juni 22 Continually. I live on Jalan Munggu, number 22. On this good occasion, I would also like to tell all of you here my learning contract of my English for Business 2 in this semester 1, take English for Business 2. And this course is taught by Mr. Adi Mursalin. I am taking part in this learning contract of the English for Business 2 because I want to improve my grade and pass this course. Have goal of the taking English for economy 1 course, namely, number 1, I want to have a good command of the English business. I want to be able to communicate in English. I want to improve my grammar of English. Number 4, I want to pass this English for Business 2 course. If I do not meet my goal, I will not pursue my study. I do not get reward from my parents. My advisor will be angry with me. If I meet a goal, I will get reward from my parents, and my advisor will be happy. To be my goal of talking English for economics 1 course. I will intend at least 75 per person of online class session. I will contribute at least on the comment to every education, and I will be active in doing the assignments given by the lecturer. I will read the course material given by the lecturer at home at least on assignments. I will spend a minimum of 1 hour per day reviewing note and working on assignments. I will attend the lecture of office course at least on per week, or I will consult with my lecturer electronically on per week. I will communicate with my friend in my work group face to face or electronically about our course project. Well, my dear friend, that is my learning contract of English for economy. 1 contract, 1 hope that I can meet my contract well. I will always pursue my goal. Thank you.
And then Yunia Marcela, silakan please, Yunia Marcela.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, my lecturer,
Good
Master
afternoon.
and my friend. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who I am. My name is Yunia Marcella. I'm the third child of 4 siblings. I was born in Seluas, Agustus 12, 2001. On this good occasion, I will also like to tell all of you here my learning contract of English for Business 2. In this semester 1, take English for Business 2, and this course is taught by Master Adi Mursalin. And this course is taught, I'm taking part in this learning contract of English for Business 2 because I want to improve my grade and pass this course. I have goals of taking English for Economy 1 course, namely 1. I want to have a good command of English business. 2. I want to be able to communicate in English. 3. I want to improve my grade of English. 4. I want to pass this English for Business 2 course. Sebentar, Pak. To meet my goals of talking English for Economy 1 course, I will attend at least 75% of online class session. I will contribute at least 1 comment to every discussion, and I will be active to every discussion and in doing the assignment given by the lecturer. I will read the course material given by the lecturer at home at least 1 hour per day. I will spend a minimum of 1 hour per day review note and working on assignment. I will attend the lecture of office or at late once per week, or I will consult with my lecturer electronical once per week. I will communicate with my peer in my work group face-to-face or electronical about our course project. Will my dear friends, that is my learning contract of English for Economy 1 contract. I hope that I can meet my contract. I will always pray to my God. Nice to meet you guys.
Oke, jadi karena ada waktu sudah selesai, yang belum dapat bagian pakai video ya. Videonya Anda rekam pakai video dari YouTube ya. Posting di grup WA ya. Paham?
Iya, Pak.
Ya. Oke, kena enggak perlu ya. Yang sudah kena di sini enggak perlu. Yang belum kena giliran pakai video, Anda rekam video, dapat YouTube, nanti di linknya di posting di grup WA ya.
Ya, Pak.
Ya, Pak.
Mau nanya.
Pak. Ada posting
Ya, Pak.
Siswa ya wajib punya buku ya. Depannya. Coba posting kan? Hanya 25.000 aja, ya, hanya Rp20 aja. Kan udah ada rekening kan? Nah, silakan beli buku itu ya. Nanti kita yang
Ya, Pak.
Baik, Pak.
Yes, sir.
Oke, see you later next week. Goodbye.
Mau bertanya, Pak?
Silakan.
Saya ingin bertanya, Pak.
Silakan. Apa bertanya?
Pak saya.
Nah, silakan. Veronica, silakan.
Tidak harus mengikuti yang Bapak kan percakapannya. Boleh dengan kata-kata sendiri, Pak.
Boleh lah, bebas, nggak masuk lah, bebas.
Oke, terima kasih, Pak.
Itu contoh aja, itu contoh.
Oke.
Bebas ya, bebas.
Pak.
Yang lain?
Baik.
Baik,
Pak.
Hah?
Pak.
Ya,
Izin Pak.
Silakan.
Yang tadi kan saya nge-lag Pak. Jadi biar bukan buat lagi Pak.
Kalau mau buat boleh, enggak pun enggak masalah, tapi tidak jelas tadi kan.
Ya, Pak.
Kan? Tapi buat pun apa-apa kan makan pakai nanti bahasa Inggrisnya kan.
Baik Pak.
Ya.
Terima kasih Pak.
Ya. Lagi mau bertanya, silakan.
Ya, Pak.
Silakan. Domi kah?
Nah, saya Pak.
Silakan. Apa Domi?
Kan tadi kan jaringannya agak lemot lah Pak, agak lelet kan. Saya agak maksudnya lambat masuk Zoom-nya Pak.
Oh, enggak apa-apa, enggak masalah. Tapi masuk, masuk. Yang penting ada masuk kan? Oke. Apa? Yang penting ada masuk gitu.
Ya Pak, makasih Pak.
Ya, oke, ada lagi?
Iya ya.
Oke, maksudnya buku ya.
Pak, saya mau bertanya Pak.
Saya
mau nanya, kapan kumpulnya Pak?
Gimana?
Kapan kumpulnya di WA Pak?
Pokoknya kalau udah selesai kumpulkan ya, udah selesai, udah ada kapannya. Kalau udah selesai kumpulkan.
Enggak ada tanpa batas berarti ya Pak.
Ada batas ya Pak.
Berarti saya Pak lebih cepat lebih bagus ya.
Lebih cepat lebih baik. Tuh, lebih cepat.
Oke Pak, thank you. Tanya Pak. Pak mau tanya.
Silakan. Gisle, silakan.
Kan nanti udah buat video nih kan Pak, terus tuh kalau misalnya diedit ditambahin lagu itu enggak apa-apa Pak?
Boleh, itu rekreasi, itu kreativitas, enggak apa-apa, boleh, itu kreativitas.
Oh, oke Pak, makasih.
Boleh, itu kan kreativitas mahasiswa boleh.
Mau tanya Pak.
Silakan.
Saya mau bertanya
Ini
lagi.
Pak,
kan tadi saya agak telat Pak untuk masuk ke Zoom-nya Pak. Terus absensinya gimana Pak bagi yang telat
WA
masuk
lah,
Pak?
grup WA ya. Kan apa ada tuh nama kan? Di grup WA.
Baik Pak, makasih.
Pak,
terima kasih Pak.
Untuk videonya Pak enggak harus untuk di YouTube ke Pak? Boleh disimpan di draft nggak Pak? Cuma dikirim linknya.
Asal bisa ada linknya enggak masalah. Asal ada linknya.
Terima kasih Pak.
Kalau enggak, yang penting ada linknya ya. Bapak bisa buka ya.
Iya Pak.
Jadi linknya dikirim di grup
WA
WA
ya, grup WA.
Pak.
Silakan yang lain lagi bertanya. Jadi minggu depan kita ada pakai buku ya. Bapak Arab, mahasiswa sudah punya buku semuanya. Kan cuma 20.000 kan, tidak mahal tuh kan. Nah, itu Pak nomor rekeningnya ya. Ada juga ada beli buku dan itu ya. Oke, jadi kita pakai buku chapter 1 ya. Pertama Anda lihat buku itu apa topiknya. Nanti kita akan belajar membaca ya, how to read an English article, mengartikan dan berarti dihafal nanti kan dan sebagainya ya. Oke ya. Lagi mau tanyakan?
Lebih cepat lebih bagus.
Oke ya. Jadi pokoknya kalau kumpulkan itu kalau udah saya kumpulkan aja. Nah, kalau ada kumpulkan itu kan ya enggak kumpul ya. Kumpulkan.
YouTube sendiri kamu. Harus ada linknya.
Ya, understand? Oke ya, see you later ya. Next.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day. In the room.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.